how to set up navigation menu on Shopify. First, go to your Shopify homepage, and then what you need to do is click on Online Store at the left side of the page, and then click on Navigation. What you need to do next is click on either the footer menu or the main menu, whatever you want. For this example, we're going to choose the main menu. And then you can add the menu items here by clicking on add menu item. Then just name your menu item here. Let's say we're going to name this as anything that you want. So for this example, I'll just type on it. I'll just type example, and then click on search or paste a link. And let's just say we're going to use products, and then I'm going to choose the t-shirt product. Then just click on add. So just like that, you can edit or set up the navigation menu by adding menu items here, dragging everything here. If you want to add a drop down menu, just drag and drop the menu here below the other menu. Then now you have a drop down menu, and just after that you can just click on save menu, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.